Hey guys, in this video, I'm showing you how to get more gold fast in Marvel Snap, so you can upgrade your collection level, unlock new cards, and stay ahead of the game without grinding forever. First off, complete daily missions. These often reward a solid amount of gold and reset every 24 hours. So make sure you log in and finish them regularly. Next, play in the highest league you can comfortably win. The better your rank, the more gold you'll earn at the end of each season. Here's a pro tip. Participate in limited time events. Many of them offer bonus gold for completing special challenges or playing a set number of matches. Don't forget to claim your rewards at the end of each season. You'll get gold based on your highest rank, so always try to climb. Also, use card synergies to win more matches. The more games you win, the faster you level up. And higher levels mean bigger gold payouts. So should you feel low on gold? Not anymore. Just follow these steps, play smart, and keep unlocking powerful new cards. Let me know in the comments what's your favorite deck for winning ranked matches. And if you found this helpful, hit like and subscribe.